This is an important step in launching your e-commerce store, and the process is simple and can be completed in a few steps. Here a detailed guide on how to set up payment in Shopify. Now, go to the settings sections and select payment provider. Shopify offers the ability to accept many forms of payment through Shopify Payment. If your business is located in one of the countries it supports and is an appropriated business, you can activate Shopify Payment with just one click and you won't be charged any extra transaction fee. With Shopify Payment, you can first offer your customer various payment options with competitive rate for their convenience, like different type of credit card or one-click payment method. You can also sell in multiple currency, and your price will automatically be converted into customer currency if you enable this option. Moreover, you can improve your security by adding an extra layer of fraud prevention with measuring such as CVV or postal zip code verification. Next, you can decide on how you appear on your customer bank statement. Last but not least, you can receive your payout daily, monthly, or weekly according to what you think works best for your business cash flow. To activate your Shopify payment, you click on the button right here and complete the address blank from country to address. Then click next. Then you need to complete the account setup through the following step here. Then complete account setup by filling more your business detail here. Then you click on complete account setup. In additional payment method, you click on add payment method. Then search the payment method and click on, for example, I choose Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Now I see provider offer this payment method such as Ski, Ocean Payment, and Asia Bill Payment. You can add a merchant email and secret words such as Shopify mayonnaise@gmail.com. Click on active and it will be added to your Shopify store. You see that skills were active successfully on my payment. Check out manual payment method if you are looking for payment and that are made outside of your online store. What you can do is add some manual methods such as payment that are made outside your online store, bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. For example, if you want to add money order, click here and you will see payment instruction. Click on activate money order and it will be activated. Once Shopify payment is set up, you can start accepting payment from customer. You might also need to set up additional payment gateway such as PayPal or if Shopify payment is not available in your region. In general, setting up a payment in Shopify is simple and straightforward. Shopify offers a variety of payment gateways and also provide easy to follow instructions to set them up. Whether you are new or an experienced online seller, you can get your store up and running quickly with Shopify. Next, you will know more about the setup of shipping for your store.